Hello everybody, it's Divine Denise here, and today I'm going to be trying out a makeup brand called Black Radiance. Now, I had not known this had even existed till I went into Walmart and I saw it. It's probably been around for a long time, maybe it hasn't. I just haven't noticed it. So I'm going to be trying on some of their lipsticks, some of their matte lip glosses, and some of their eyeshadows, but the eyeshadow is going to be in another video, so stay tuned for that. So I'm going to be trying out some of their lipsticks. As you can see, it's very pigmented. I like it a lot, and for a lipstick that was $1, it goes on pretty smoothly. It shows a lot of pigment, and I think it looks really nice. I'm not disappointed at all. So this next color is sort of a hot pink color. I'm excited to try it out because I like pinks, hot pinks, baby pinks. So let's go ahead and try it out. So it went on very smooth, just like the last one. Had very nice pigment, very pigmented. This is honestly a really good lipstick, very good. Black Radiance did a very good job with this lipstick. I am very surprised and very pleased, since this is like $1 lipstick. So let's go ahead and move on. So the next color is a sort of reddish color. Looks very nice, so let's go ahead and try that on. So honestly, I think the red could be a little more pigmented, but I am not mad at all. Not mad at all. It looks very lovely. It's a very lovely red, sort of medium red, and it looks very beautiful. It's a color you can wear every day, classic red. So I am very pleased. Let's go ahead and move on to the mattes. So this is the Perfection Tone Matte Lip Cream. I did try some of it on, and I can tell you right now, it's not very pigmented. They could have put a little more pigment into it, but besides that, it's a very nice lip gloss. So let me go ahead and try that on for you guys. Like I did say, it's not that pigmented. It could be a little more matte. It could be a little more. That's all I'm gonna say. It could be a little more. And it doesn't really look like a matte. It doesn't apply like a matte, and it's not drying like a matte. I don't really consider this a matte, but they said it was a matte, so here it is. So I'm gonna go in with this sort of light pink, sort of peach color. Now here it is. Without a lot of layering, this one doesn't really go on too well. It's patchy. It's uneven, and I don't really like this too much. I really don't. The color is absolutely gorgeous. It is perfect for any occasion. absolutely gorgeous, but I just don't feel like it is too good. That's the word. I don't feel like it's too good. Overall, am I disappointed? No, I am not. For a lipstick that cost $1, it went on pretty smoothly, very creamy. I love that in a lipstick, and I love that in a lip gloss matte. Honestly, the lip glosses weren't really mattes. The only one that I would really consider a matte was the baby pink peach one that I tried on. Besides that, they weren't mattes. I do like the way Black Radiance made these. I understand that it could be a lot worse, but again, it could be a lot better. So